Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back, and today I'm making another Spider-Man PS4 related video. This time it's not talking about suits, but it is in fact talking about this Spider-Man PS4 Special Edition. Now, chances are you probably haven't heard of this because it's kind of off the radar. Insomniac isn't really talking about it. PlayStation isn't really talking about it, and it's not being advertised as one of the special editions like the collector's edition and deluxe edition, which is the one I got, the one I'm getting. I pre-ordered it now, but basically this right here, it's the collector's edition without the big giant statue and without the city that never sleeps. Pretty much, if you get this, you're getting the collector's edition without the statue or the DLC, which is stuff that you can buy separately. Yeah, you can buy those separately, and this is can only be bought in Europe. So if you don't live in Europe, that's too bad because you're not gonna be able to get this edition because collector's editions are out. They're sold out in the US. So people are trying to get whatever they can. And if you guys are probably looking at this saying, "Oh shoot, this is the next best thing. This is a collector's edition basically." And you don't live in Europe, probably. So, if you live in the US, you're not going to get your hands on this. Insomniac has confirmed that it's only in Sony Computer Entertainment Europe territories, meaning that it can only be bought in Europe. My friend, the Mental Gamer, he says that he's getting this edition. Obviously, you can tell that it's up for pre-orders because you get the pre-order bonuses and stuff there. So yeah, guys, that's the special edition. There's not really much to say about it other than it's the collector's edition without the statue and DLC. So if you live in Europe, you can pick this up. If you don't, your only other option is the digital deluxe edition, which is a really good edition. You'll be able to play the game when it comes out. And yeah, so peace out, guys.